together.
It is a miracle.
Were we together last week? I can't even.
No.
I can't even remember that far.
It's been so long.
It has been.
The snow's gone.
Yeah.
Which is very exciting.
We had like sunny weather this weekend. Claire was gone, but I enjoyed
real
it.
Nice.
I think we're breaking through the worst of it. We're gonna have 60s and sun this weekend.
Oh, thank God. I'm very looking forward to it.
As am I. So we're going to chat with you briefly today about loan limits and what they are, why they exist, and how they affect you as a buyer.
Just so you guys know, obviously we're not mortgage brokers.
We are not.
So the stuff we're going to tell you is just from our experience, and loans change constantly. So if you're looking to get a loan, let us know, because we have great people that we can put you in touch with.
Yes, that are extremely savvy at what we're going to be talking about today.
We're just barely scratching the surface.
They come and teach us about what we're telling you today.
Yes, exactly.
So, we'll give you what we know, and they can elaborate much more upon it.
So why do I care about this?
Yeah, so we're talking about what's my buying power, essentially. How expensive of a house can I buy, and what does that involve, essentially? And everybody's buying power is different. The variables that affect it, number one, are your debt to income ratios.
It's how much you make, how much you have to spend on debt.
And then what you have for down payment.
Those are the big ones.
There's
a bunch of other stuff too, but we're not going to get into that.
So we're talking today about a conventional loan and what the max is on that, and then a jumbo loan. We're not really touching at all on an FHA loan or a VA loan, and those are things we can talk about at another time. And shoot us questions on those if you have them.
Yep.
So conventional loan that you can do anywhere between 5 and increase the down payment to any point you want it. The maxes were just raised a couple months ago to $484. So that means that on a conventional loan, your loan amount can be a $484,000, which means if your down payment is 20%, it's to avoid property mortgage insurance, you could have the capacity to go up to another 80 grand above that, or 85 grand above that, which would qualify you for around the mid 5s to higher 5s, which gives you a lot of buying power. Definitely in this Portland market, for sure.
The big reason why I like to bring this up with people is, say perhaps that you came from California. Their loan limits are going to be very different than our loan limits. They're going to be much higher.
Yep.
So I've had plenty of clients come here and be like, wait, what?
Yeah.
It's no longer a conventional loan, because jumbo loans are more expensive. You have to put more money down typically.
They have a higher interest rate.
They often require a higher credit score, more assets. They're it's a whole nother world. So
because it's deemed a higher risk loan is essentially what it is. So they put totally different parameters upon that loan based on the risk assessment of it.
And that's going to change. I mean, so Oregon, you think, wow, $484,000 seems like a lot of buying power, but you might go to Ohio and their loan limits are going to probably be less. So we bring this up in case, you're looking to relocate, or, you're thinking about buying an investment property somewhere else. You definitely need to be in touch with people in the area, and we have great referrals that we can give you. But yeah, don't assume that just because you can get a loan here for that amount that you can go somewhere else and get it at the same thing, because you can't.
And if you want to stay within those conventional loans, the max loan amount at 44, if you want to buy a more expensive house, it's going to require you to have a much greater amount of cash on hand in order to not be into that jumbo loan area. So we finance houses all the time with jumbo loans on them, and it's done on a regular basis. It's just totally different guidelines.
You just have to have your stuff really well dialed.
You do.
You have to have a high credit score. You have to have more assets. You have to have more down payment. It's just more difficult. Anyways, I hope that we have totally confounded things for you.
The greatest thing to take with you is that the conventional loan amount max has been raised, which is a great thing for Oregon, which is great. It's going to give you a little bit more buying power if you can qualify for that. And if you have more questions, reach out to us. That's really what it comes down to.
Enjoy the sunshine today, guys.
Take care.
Talk soon.
See ya.
Bye-bye.